This is the instruction manual for Booster T1. First, let's open the box and retrieve the robot. The main force location is on the rope behind the robot. After placing the robot steadily on the rack, we can press the power button on the back to turn it on. About 30 seconds later, the robot's head lifts and enters the operation control program. Press the RT and Y keys to enter the preparation mode. In preparation mode, the robot's joints will become stiff and it can stand steadily. After checking that the joints of the hands and feet cannot be bent in preparation mode, we can move the robot. Press the RT and A keys to enter walking mode for the robot. The left joystick can control the robot to move forward, backward, right, left. The right joystick can control the direction of rotation. Pressing the key in walking mode allows the robot to shake hands. Press the A key again to end the handshake. Pressing the B key in walking mode allows the robot to wave its hand. Press the B key again to end waving. The left button can control the direction of the head. After using the robot, it is necessary to enter the preparation mode before moving it onto the rack. Do not move the robot in walking mode. After placing the robot on the rack, press and hold the power button to turn it off. After shutting down, two people cooperated to put the robot into the box.